Oregon's only Republican congressman is supporting the Trump administration's push to send federal troops to Portland.
In an interview with KGW, Representative Cliff Bentz says Portland police should be doing a lot more. He also addressed the ongoing government shutdown. Evan Watson joins us in the studio after talking with Bentz. Evan.
Yeah, well, as we know, over the last 2 weeks, local and state officials have largely been united in opposition to the idea that the National Guard is needed in Portland. Oregon's governor, the attorney general, the Multnomah County DA, Portland Police Chief Bob Day, Mayor Wilson, and others, to name a few key players. But Representative Cliff Bentz does see it differently. From his perspective, representing much of eastern Oregon, Representative Cliff Bentz says a call to send the National Guard to Portland is justified.
The president had little choice when it came to calling up the National Guard because local law enforcement is incapable of protecting the people that are trying to carry out the federal work of immigration.
Bentz blames Portland police, saying they should have cleared the area around the ICE building well before Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem arrived on Tuesday.
They should be putting up barriers protecting ingress and egress to that building, and they should be setting up perhaps a free speech zone some distance away, and they should be trying to protect and enforce the noise ordinance that kicks in around 11 at night.
Bentz is working from his office in Ontario as the federal government shutdown enters its second week.
What they're telling me is that nothing is happening, like nothing. And so that does not bode well for this ending anytime soon, and that's bad news for America.
Democrats are refusing to agree to the proposed funding plan, saying many people could lose health insurance coverage or see their premiums become unaffordable.
Oregonians are going to be hurt by the projected 68% increase when they sign back up for insurance in November.
Bentz says the Democrats need to step up, saying this holdout is ineffective governance.
If they want to discuss a complicated matter like that, then reopen the government so we can have those discussions without holding the military hostage, without holding the traffic control folks hostage.
Bentz told me the current plan for federal funding only lasts until November 21st, the proposal Republicans have put on the table. So Democrats could focus on health care for the next month and a half and then force another shutdown if they don't get results they like, which Bentz offered as a better alternative to the current situation and shutdown.
All right, Evan Watson, thanks very much.